भाजपाचे म्हणयारे आता आपल्याच सरकारातल्या मंत्र्यांचेर आरोप प्रत्यारोप तशेंच भ्रष्टाचाराच्यो कागाळी करपाक लागल्यात। सोशल मिडियावरवीं पातळिल्ल्या ह्या व्हिडिओत गोंय भाजपाचो म्हणयारो सावियो रॉड्रिगेसान कला अकादमी नूतनीकरणा वयल्यान कला आनी संस्कृती मंत्री गोविंद गावडेचेर बरेच फार पेटयल्यात। कला अकादमीच्या नूतनीकरणाच्या प्रकल्पाचे 50 कोटीचे काम निविदा प्रक्रिये बगर कशें सुरू जाले असो खर प्रश्न विचारून आरोप केला। शहाजहानाची देख दिवन कला अकादमीच्या नूतनीकरणाचे प्रक्रियेची निविदा काडूंक ना अशें जरी ह्या मंत्र्यान सांगले जाल्यार लेगीत प्रमोद सावंत सरकार ह्या भ्रष्टाचाराच्या रस्त्यार कित्याक चलपाक लागला असो प्रश्न विचारून आपल्याच सरकाराचेर सावियोन तिडक उक्तायल्या। फाटल्या कांय दिसां पयलीं 3 मेंबर व्हिजिलन्स कमिटी कला अकादमीच्या कामाचो नियाळ घेवपाक नेमल्या।
Hi, this is Savio Rodriguez of the BJP. At a time when Prime Minister Modi is working hard to stem the rot of systemic corruption in India, we have a minister in Goa that has allotted work worth rupees 50 crore to a company without a tendering process. When he was questioned by the media, he states that Shah Jahan in his time did not require a tendering process to build the Taj Mahal. He also told the media that it was a collective government decision to opt not for the tendering process but to go in for a nomination process of the company who's got the renovation work of the Kala Academy. The Directorate of Vigilance has asked the state government to constitute a 3-member committee to investigate the allegations over the Kala Academy renovation. My question to the Chief Minister of Goa, in all earnestness and in all humility, is today, if we set the trend of a work without a tendering process, how are we a party that is fighting against corruption? How are we working in the path that was shown to